I'm literally just gonna ask questions because I can't remember what they are.
Jay answers all.
I feel like one episode of Pointless. Hi, I'm Brad.
Right, we need to go from one side to the other. Come on, guys.
I'm Nathan, I'm the guitarist.
I'm Luke, I'm the bass player / singer.
I'm Bradley, I'm the drummer.
I'm like, I am a fucking drugger. I'm a fucking drugger.
Cut.
Are we doing it again?
Yeah.
I'm Nathan, I'm the rhythm guitarist.
I'm Luke, I'm the bass player / singer.
I'm Donald Trump and I'm the president.
I'm Donald Trump and I'm gonna build a wall.
I'm Miles Kennedy from On the Fringe. Okay.
Hey MTV, this is my crib.
Right, Nathan, take it away.
Look at me, look at the camera.
I'm trying to wait for them to stop laughing.
He's gone.
You want to stop recording now?
Alright, so guys, just
Oh god.
I just want to get it over and done with, really.
Only bright.
shut the fuck up.
You're making me laugh.
I'm Nathan, I'm the rhythm guitarist.
I'm Luke, I'm the singer. This is Jay, the lead guitarist.
I'm Jay Sturgis, I'm the lead guitarist.
I'm Brad, I'm the drummer and founder of the band. No, fuck off, don't do that. I am Brad, I'm the drummer.
I'm Jay, I'm the lead guitar.
I'm Luke, I'm the singing.
I'm the singing. I am Brad, I'm the drummer.
I'm Jay, I'm the lead guitar.
I'm Luke, I'm singer / bass player.
I'm Nathan, I'm the rhythm guitarist.
Thank you. Do you feel like Andover is a good place for opportunities for your band to play?
Well, there's a lot of pubs.
There's a lot of pubs.
But yeah, you do get quite a good...
That's all I need. Thank you guys.
Cool. I am now resigning from the band.